Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable location services on Windows 11. Access settings from the Start menu. Then open the Privacy and Security section. Here in App Permissions, click on Location. You can enable the location services switch to be used. Now, in each application, you will have the possibility to enable or not the location using the switch. To disable it, click on the switch again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.